Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. Today we are going to see object prototype chain and object iteration. First we will see object prototype chain. Basically, for object prototype chain, JavaScript engine first check the property of object within object itself. If the property of object is not found in object, then it will go to prototype chain for find the property of object. We will see this using example. Like so, we'll create one object and the key as a name, value as a John, age 28. This is my object, and I'll create the one object and object dot create object. I have created this temporary object from this object, and object dot create we are using for a prototype chain. If we see temporary object, basically temporary object is empty, but in prototype having the age and name key of this object. So if I want to get the key of a name, if you check the temporary object dot name, then I get the John as a result, because the temporary object don't have their own key, but in prototype having a name and age key. So JavaScript engine first check the temporary object having the name key. If it is not found there, then it will go to prototype. Then it will check the name key is present on prototype chain or not. If we do the object temporary object name one, then the JavaScript engine is not found the name one property on temporary object itself, neither prototype. So the result is get as a undefined. Now we will create the name key for a temporary object and assign the value as a mark. If you see temporary object, now temporary object having a name key and their prototype having a name and age key. Now if I want to get the name key of temporary object, JavaScript engine returns the mark, because JavaScript gets the value of name key in their object itself. So it's get the name key value as a mark. So suppose I want to check the property of temporary object. If I want to check name name is a temporary object property, then I will check using the temporary object dot has own property as a name, and it will return the true. If we check as a temporary object dot has own property age, temporary object don't have any name age key, but their prototype having the age key. So this is basically not temporary object key. This key is related to our object key. If we check the object dot has own property age, then it will give the true result, because this object having a age key. So that's it for object prototype chain. Next we are going to see object iteration. So I have already created the object, so we will iterate this object using the for in let in object log the value of key So here we iterate this object. Name is a key and value of this name is John, and age is a key and a value of this age is a 28. So on this way we can iterate our object. So that's it, friend. Thank you for watching video.